Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about Screencastify and YouTube, but more specifically we're going to talk about the YouTube end of Screencastify, because when you create a video, um, there are tools that you can use on the YouTube end that will help you organize your YouTube videos. So once you've created your Screencastify video, you're going to want to change the title. You're going to want to label it, because if you don't, then you're going to more or less have a pile of untitled videos on the YouTube end, and it'll be difficult to identify and organize. So for today, I'm just going to call this test 1212. And then we're going to click on publish to YouTube. You can send an email, you can get an embedded code and then just forget about it. But then again, you'll on the YouTube end, you'll have this junkyard of YouTube videos piling up that are unorganized, and it'll be somewhat of a mess. So you want to publish to you, click on publish to YouTube, and then you'll have an option to make it private or public or unlisted. I like to keep it private for now while I'm setting it up, and then once I'm done, I switch it over to public. And one of the reasons is that I like to keep it private so that I don't have people making comments. Because while I'm setting the parameters up for the YouTube video, I like to turn off comments, because comments can be annoying and they're not very necessary, especially when you get people that are trying to be funny or making unnecessary or inappropriate comments. So I just avoid all that and just make my comments. I just turn them off. I turn off the comments. So keep it private for now, and then right before you publish, uh, switch it over to public. So you want to have your title, then a quick description, so that you'll know what the video is about, and when people come view your video, they can read the description and figure out if they want to watch it or not, or give them a heads up or an idea of what your video is about. So instructions on how to complete the assignment. And then you click upload, and the video will upload to your YouTube channel. And from there, we will click on, I'll show you around and show you how to play with the settings. So again, it's giving you an option of either copying the link or viewing on YouTube. And again, you can just copy the link and post it on your assignment page, and then forget about the video. But then again, there's this pile of unorganized videos on the YouTube end that you don't want to mess with, because it can be overwhelming. So we're going to view on YouTube, and it will open up your video on YouTube. But what you need to do is go to the top right corner where your icon is, click on your icon or profile icon, click on the top right where it says your channel, click in the top right where it says manage videos, and the video that you just shot in Screencastify is at the top of the list. It's at the very top of this list that you have. So you click on that video, and then it'll give you these options or different things that you could do to the video. So here's the title, here's the description. You can choose a thumbnail. This is the icon that people will see when they come across your video. You can upload a thumbnail or select a thumbnail that they thought you might want to use. So we're just going to go with this one. And then this is where you want to organize your videos under playlists. I've created all these different playlists, and we're going to go with, for this example, 2021 computers. And so all the videos that I've created for my computer class are going to go into this folder so that I know where to look for them and I can access them a lot quicker. Schoology related videos will go here in the 2021 Schoology folder. Then I've got 2021 ELA, 2021 Social Studies. You can create playlists by clicking on New Playlist down here at the bottom of the window. So for this example, again, we're going to go with 2021 computers, and then we're going to click Done. And so it's important that you organize your videos, otherwise it's going to be a jumbled mess. It's going to be a hot mess, and it can be overwhelming, because when I first started doing this, it was overwhelming with all the options and all the things that you could do here on the YouTube end. But by organizing into playlists, it's made things a lot easier. If you're making a video for kids and you click on yes, it's made for kids, the comments will automatically be disabled. If you're making a video for instructional video for other teachers or colleagues or adults, and you decide to click on no, it's not made for kids, you will have to manually disable the comments if you don't want the comments on. So to show you that, I'm going to click on no, it's not made for kids. And then click on show more. And then we're going to go down to select language. And we're going to go with English, United States. Title and description language, we're going to go again, English, United States. Recording date, we're going to select today's date. Video location, we're going to type in Los Angeles, LOS, and then Los Angeles, California. Category, education, and then comments, visible, allow all comments. Again, I'm going to disable comments. I don't like the comments because people tend to leave inappropriate comments, and so to avoid that, I like to disable comments. And so come back up to the top, and here is your video link. Right now would be a good time to click here to copy the video link, so you can grab the link there, because we're almost done. And now that the comments have been disabled, now would be a good time to change it from private to public. Click done. And then the last thing you got to do, you've grabbed your link already, you click save. and it saves all your changes, and your video will become public and available in a couple of minutes as YouTube works its magic and renders and uh, sets all the parameters that you've laid out. And so when you go to your channel, um, it will be easier to find a specific video because your videos will be organized. And I like to try to, when I create my videos, I try to organize them so that I can reuse them. And my 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 hope is that uh, once I've created a video, I can use it again the following year and the year after that. So instead of having to reinvent the wheel, I can just recycle my videos and use them over and over and over. And that's the goal, so that if I have it well organized, I'll know where to find it, and I can use it easily the following year and the year after that. And I hope this helps. If you have any questions, reach out to me, contact me, let me know. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Bye.